Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to add interactivity in Saola Animate. Interactivity includes events that trigger actions. In other words, when an event is detected, you provide one or more actions as a response. Now let's see the interactivity in this project. I have a solar system here. When I move the mouse over a planet, it stops orbiting around the sun, then shows the information. And vice versa, when I move the mouse out of the planet, it will hide the information and continue orbiting. Let's see how I create all these events and actions. First, I've prepared an Earth image and an information shape. To better control the movement of the Earth, I will create an additional timeline for it. Now you create a motion path for the Earth. Turn on the auto keyframe mode to create the path more quickly. Specify the playhead position. Drag the Earth on the canvas. Edit the path to fit the orbit. I will make the Earth rotate around itself using the Rotate Z property. Let's see the preview. To make an interactivity when users move the mouse over or out of the Earth, you need to add events and actions to it. Click on the lightning bolt icon next to the element name to open the element event handlers dialog. The mouse over event means when users move the mouse over the Earth image. Click on the plus icon to add action for that event. The first action is toggle the Earth timeline. The second action is show the Earth information. Do the same for the mouse out event, which means when users move the mouse out of the Earth image. The first action is toggle the Earth timeline to make it continue orbiting. The second action is hide the Earth information. At the end of the playhead position as the end of the animation, I will add a timeline trigger to loop the Earth timeline. That means when the Earth reaches to the end of its motion path, it will start again. Click the Insert Trigger button in the timeline pane. In the Timeline Triggers dialog box, click the Add Action button. Select Timeline, choose Start Timeline Action. Select Earth. OK, done. Take back to the main timeline. Open the Scene Event Handlers dialog. At the Scene Activate event, you need to add two actions. First, start the Earth timeline. Second, hide the Earth information. This way makes the Earth orbit around the sun and hide the information right when the scene starts. So I've done creating all the interactivity. It's now time to see the result. So that's how to add interactivity in Saola Animate.